Agios Sostis is a peaceful coastal settlement, known for its relaxed charm, natural scenery, and authentic Greek island atmosphere. Located near Laganas Bay on Zakynthos, it offers a quieter alternative to the busier resorts while still providing visitors with beautiful beaches, traditional restaurants, and easy access to the island's major attractions. Its defining feature is the harmonious balance between untouched nature and gentle seaside living. The beach at Agios Sostis is long, golden, and soft, lapped by shallow blue waters, ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and leisurely wading. Unlike more commercialized beaches, it remains tranquil, with minimal loud music or crowded umbrellas. Sunsets are especially beautiful here, transforming the sea into a palette of oranges, pinks, and violet tones. The beach gently slopes into the water, making it perfect for families and anyone seeking calm, relaxing moments. A unique highlight of Agios Sostis is the small walking bridge that once connected it to Cameo Island, a tiny private islet just offshore. Though the natural bridge no longer exists, the islet remains a well-known symbol of the area. With its rocky shoreline, small beach areas, and clear waters, Cameo Island has long inspired photographers and travelers. At night, atmospheric lights often reflect across the sea, adding to the area's charm. The settlement itself retains a laid-back character. Traditional tavernas serve Zakynthos specialties: fresh fish, grilled meats, local cheeses, olive-based dishes, and homemade sweets. Tables placed beside the water let visitors dine while listening to gentle waves. Shops and cafes are small and friendly, maintaining an intimate feel. Agios Sostis is closely tied to nature conservation. The wider area is part of a protected marine habitat where endangered loggerhead turtles, caretta caretta, come to nest. While protection rules limit heavy development, they ensure the bay remains pristine. Visitors sometimes spot turtles in the water, especially during quiet early hours. Walking paths and coastal roads offer scenic views and small corners to sit, read, or simply enjoy the sea breeze. Activities such as boat trips to Marathonisi Island, turtle spotting cruises, and visits to sea caves start nearby. In essence, Agios Sostis invites calm exploration rather than fast tourism. It is perfect for travelers who enjoy soft beaches, gentle evenings by the water, and an atmosphere of authenticity rooted in nature and tradition.